All the honorable members, the chair can hardly hear what the distinguished member for Nyando is saying.
Honorable Speaker, I acknowledge the tacit role that you play as chair of Parliamentary Service Commission. This is a commission that looks into the welfare, security, comfort of members of Parliament in this House, of the Senate, together with the members of the Secretariat. Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, a matter that is of great concern to my side of the political divide is that the police unilaterally withdraws security of members of this coalition, Honorable Speaker, each time there is a difference expressed as a matter of objectivity from the side of this coalition, Honorable Speaker. And as the chair of the commission, Honorable Speaker, I'd wanted to invite you to help us address this matter, because security of any member of this parliament is just as important as the other member, Honorable Speaker. Last week, members amounting to about 20 from our coalition had their securities withdrawn, and we haven't had any response or any word from the Parliamentary Service Commission, Honorable Speaker. And additionally, the leadership within Azimio coalition, and that includes Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga, Honorable Kalonzo Musyoka, Honorable Martha Karua, and many and others had their securities withdrawn, Honorable Speaker, without any reason. So this is a unilateral decision that is constantly being taken by the police, and not just this time. We had a similar experience during the other regime, Honorable Speaker. So as the chair of Parliamentary Service Commission, Honorable Speaker, allow me to invite you to protect members of this coalition that we do not experience withdrawal of our security that then exposes us so badly to the public, Honorable Speaker, and most importantly to the leadership of Azimio coalition. Honorable Speaker, we have had instances where we have had members of the other coalition expressing threats to the leadership within Azimio coalition. And Honorable Speaker, when the security is withdrawn amidst such threats, then we have a cause to worry, Honorable Speaker. And as I was reading the Constitution the other day, Honorable Speaker, about the role that you play as the Speaker, that in the absence of the two leaders above, then the National Assembly Speaker takes over. So this is a matter, the Honorable Speaker, that I want to invite you to delve into it so that we can all be safe. We may have differences in opinion, but that does not warrant withdrawal of security of any person within the Republic of Kenya. Finally, Honorable Speaker, the security provided to the leadership, especially for those who have been Prime Minister, President, and the Deputy President, is enshrined in our laws, Honorable Speaker. And therefore, let us go by the dictates of our laws and not whimsically make decisions that do not square with the same constitution that we subscribe to, Honorable Speaker. And I thank you very much for the opportunity.
Majority Leader.